What's up, my fellow YouTube travelers? Welcome aboard. In today's video adventure, we're going to take a couple of our little furry friends here out to the dog park and do a little bit of a channel update. It is a beautiful morning, so let's ride. So yeah, we're just a few episodes in, and I'm not sure I have any clue where I'm going. But I feel with each passing episode, I'm feeling better and better about how to get there. Now let's go pick up some dog. Now Centennial's newer dog park in my hometown is pretty sweet, but I'm not here to get you jazzed up about a dog park. Now I rushed to finish this video because I am headed to California in a day.
Please excuse the crudity of this model. I didn't have time to build it to scale or to paint it.
I did quickly learn, got a little practice to do with the drone. And please note, I only took it up when no one was here. One thing with this new channel is I've really started to love utilizing voiceover. And I'm not gonna lie, for me, vlogging in public is tough. I definitely have a lot of work to do when it comes to vlogging in public, but I just don't know if that's a fear I'm ever gonna 100% get over. But that's where I love utilizing voiceover. When you're in your basement and you have a microphone to do voiceover, you have more time to write what you're gonna say and kind of come up with what you're gonna say. When you're vlogging in public, you gotta be Johnny on the spot. You also have to be very well prepared. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my head down. I'm gonna keep producing content at least once a month. I would love to do it more. Of course, I would love to just leave my 8 to 5 job and just do video all the time. But unfortunately, I have bills. All right, well, we're taking off because it's hot and she's old and I think she's ready to go home and chill. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little short snippet of an episode. Just wanted to kind of mess around with the drone at the dog park while no one was here, so I wasn't being annoying to everyone else. Kind of get some shots of the dogs, and just wanted to give a channel update that, hey, we're just gonna keep plugging away. We're gonna fight that YouTube algorithm. But let's just keep creating content. Hopefully it's fun, informative. We just create fun content because that's what this is about. All right, so we're gonna head off. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. I always enjoy creating it. I look forward to releasing some content from my trip to LA. Take care.